Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log into public.com. Whether you are using mobile phone, tablets or computers, these steps will help you access your investments without any confusion. First of all, open a web browser on your device. Go to the URL box at the top and type in public.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for public.com. Go ahead and tap on the two horizontal menu button at the top right corner from the website and then click on Sign In. You will see a login page where you need to enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on Create Account and follow through the account creation process. To access your existing account, type in your email address associated with your account in the first field. Now, type in your password on the next. If you don't remember the password, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the password reset process. After you are done entering your credentials, click on Login to sign into public.com. Public.com may ask for two-step verifications for added security. Enter the code sent to your email or phone, and once verified, you'll be logged in and redirected to your dashboard. So that's how you can easily log into public.com, where you can view your investments, explore stocks, and more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.